Muhammad Asruddin. Okay, and I'm the SEO trainer as well as I'm a Google certified AdWords professional. Okay, and I will be taking your demonstration class for search engine optimization. Okay, so first of all, let's first of all understand what exactly is this search engine optimization. Okay, now many people say SEO means search engine optimization, from which you will be getting the business. That I will also agree, correct? But basically speaking, what is this SEO? Why I should use it? If suppose I am a company, correct? So when I am a company, what is the purpose of using this SEO? There should be some benefit in using this SEO, correct? So first of all, you have to understand that search engine optimization is a marketing technique which is used in a very big topic called as digital media marketing. Which is used in what? Digital media marketing. What is digital media marketing? See, for example, you are considering digital media marketing as, for example, we are having different media types like television media, we are having print media, we are having various media available, correct? But see, when you're talking about media like television media or print media, there is a limitation. I'll give you one example of this demonstration itself. If you would know about us, the only way you can know about is by SEO only. Okay, it's the digital media, that is internet. Now, is there any way that you can see my ad in a paper or you can see my ad in a TV media? Is it possible?
No.
Because even if I give advertising, where will be that advertising will be shown? Only in India, only in AP, only in Hyderabad. So that meant to say, this search engine optimization is a tool which is used as in digital media marketing. There is nothing but internet marketing. That is, we try to focus on increasing the business, not only in your place or in your location. You can target, you can increase the business of the client all over the world. So the first suggestion I will give the client that, sir, why we have to do SEO? What is the benefit of SEO? The first thing you have to tell to your client that we can target any country in the world. Here we are sitting in India, but we can target any country in the world. We get students from USA, we get students from UK. And how we are getting that? The only logic behind this will be that search engine optimization. Let's get the point. So what is SEO? SEO is a marketing technique. That's it. Don't worry about technical part. It's nothing but marketing technique. Like every marketing professional should have skills of analysis. Should have skills of analysis. The same way in SEO also, you should have the skill of analysis. Now what do you mean by analysis? I'll come to that point in the later slide. But the next point I want to discuss here is, see, search engine optimization, technical, I'm giving you a technical definition, is a process of improving the positions of a website on search engines, correct? With SEO process, a website can generate visitors via free organic listing on search engines. Now what do you mean by that? Now see, I'll just go back to the browser. Now here, I'll just type the Google search. Okay. Now, here I would just like to type a particular keyword. I want to just type a particular keyword. Online. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is the keyword I'm typing in there?
Online SEO training.
In India. Now here we can see, we are able to see some records are there. We are able to see some records are there, like this one. Now tell me, will you consider this as SEO? What is this too? Just a second. Just. Now what are these two blocks which are seen on the top? Are they SEO or SEM?
SEM.
These are SEM. That means to say these are paid, PPC. That means to say the listings which you are seeing over here, these are nothing but the SEO ranks. The same way, if for example, I will just type a keyword like correct?
Okay.
Now in this keyword, again you can see okay. Now, where is our website available? Correct? Just a second.
What is this, Joomla?
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Vinod. Okay.
What is this Joomla? What is it? Is software?
It's a software. It's a software. It's also a course. Okay. Now, see here. Now, when we are talking about a specific keyword, it doesn't matter. One thing you have to keep in mind is that when I'm searching for a specific keyword, okay, the getting on the top is nothing but SEO without payment. Without payment. So that is one point you have to keep in mind. So the next thing which we have to understand here is that how do I actually get this SEO process? Now here we can see the last option which we have is SEO can be targeted as per the project requirements like web results, image results, video results and local results. Now what is the meaning of this, you know? See, for example, I'm having one company which is hotel, which is one hotel. Now tell me, for a hotel, will you search for global or will you search for a city-wise?
City-wise.
Because you will say if you are coming to Hyderabad, you will definitely type hotels in Hyderabad. You won't type hotels. So that is comes under local results. That comes under local results. For example, you want to purchase a movie song or a movie. Now what you will search on the online? Movie, name, video, download. That means to say which will come under video result. Suppose you want to purchase, you want to take some images, that will come under image. So that means to say every specific result has its own value. That is, web result will have its own value, image results will have its own value, video results has its own value, and local results has its own value. I'll give you the complete description about this in the live query, so you get a clear understanding of what I'm talking. Now see, I will just add the word Hyderabad in this, okay? Did I add Hyderabad on this particular keyword? Now, see here. Okay, just a second. Okay, the keyword is PHP training in Hyderabad. Okay. Now, you got something here in between? Yes or no? What we got there? Now, is it SEO or local SEO?
Yes. Local SEO.
Yeah, this is local because see, Places is nothing but it's a product of Google. It's a product of Google wherein we can be able to retrieve the specific keywords. We can be able to retrieve the specific data from that particular keyword. So in short, I can tell you that these places results are considered as local results. Okay. Now see here. For example, you are looking for some wallpapers, natural wallpapers. Okay. So you got some results. Now tell me, what is the first result you have got? Is it image or web?
Image. Yeah, image.
It's image. So this is nothing but it comes under image marketing. It comes under image. You know, remember, image marketing is also a very big business actually. You know how? For example, you see many people are out there who will take some small websites and they'll put videos, pictures of actresses and actors and natural wallpapers. People will search for images, they will see the image, but alongside the images they'll put some ads. So when people click, they will get payment for that. So it's also a business. That is, even going with image and all that is also a business in the real-time marketing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what I just want to explain you, what I want to give you the consideration is that whenever we are working with this particular SEO, we have different ways of marketing: web marketing, image marketing, video marketing, and local result marketing. Is it clear? So now you understood clearly what is SEO? Okay.
Yes,
now just I want to next understand you.
We need a website compose. Website is needed for this.
See, I'll tell you one point. I'm saying that I'm putting an ad on a DC paper. I'm keeping an ad on a paper. Okay. When I keep an ad on a paper, do you need a phone number or an address in that, or you don't need that? Did you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So, do we need a phone number or an email address? At least something on the news ad. If not, how they can contact you? So, remember, this SEO is done on the website only. Okay, don't worry. If you don't have payment to purchase the website, you can even use free website like Blogspot. But website is compulsory because SEO is done on website only. Okay, next thing I want to explain to you is what is the search engine. Okay, now see, basically search engine, every search engine, the purpose of search engine is gathering the information. Now see, what the search engine will do is it will collect information from various websites like World Wide Web. It will go and it will take all the website content and it will store in one of its page. And what it will do next is every search engine uses algorithms. For example, see, Google uses its own algorithm called as PageRank algorithm. Yahoo uses different algorithm. Bing will use a different algorithm. Means how do you select the data and how do you show the data and how do you rank the data. This all depends on the search engine. So, but for that reason only, many people use Google because Google is a better search engine than Bing.com. Is it better or it's not better?
Yeah, Google is
Because
better.
Bing is, like look-wise it is good, but in practical-wise it is bad. So, for that reason, we are going to use only the Google search engine. And third factor about it is the basic requirement of the search engine is to make the information accessible to all. Now, I will ask you a question. If I tell search engine should be only available in English, will you agree with that?
No, no.
Why? Because every language is different, so every language can have its own features. For that reason, we can say search engine is universal. You can say search engine is what? Universal. For that reason, if you want to do search marketing for Arabic, you can do. If you want to do search marketing for English, you can do. That means search marketing for every specific element can be different, and that will give us a better output. And by that way, we can be able to use the search engines to search for information and to get the output according to our requirements. Clear with this point? And the next point I
Yes.
want to explain to you is how this actually the search engine works. You understood what is search engine? Search engine is nothing but
Yes.
it is simply it's a collection of information. It is a collection of data where any person can go and search for the data. In simple terms, I can tell you. For example, you go to a market. Okay. Now in that market, you will find 10 shops. Am I correct?
Yes.
So you want to purchase only one shirt. You will not purchase 10 shirts. You want to purchase only one shirt. So you'll go to first shop.
I need to.
You didn't like anything. You go to second shop. You didn't like anything. You go to third shop. That means all these 10 shops are nothing but your options. The same way, when you put a query on search engine also will give you options. It will say, this is one website, this is one website, this is one website. And also you may have taken demo from another institution in case. That means to say, see, you are looking for options or you are not looking for options.
Yes.
So who is providing that options for you? Are you following my point?
Yes. Yes.
Who is providing that option? Search engine is providing options for you. That means to say that a search engine is nothing but it's a database where I can put a query and I can get the results. And here, after this, the main important thing is what a search engine should consist of. What does a search engine consist of? For example, I will ask you, what are the components of a computer? Tell me, without hard disk can you run a computer? You cannot. Without RAM can you run a computer? Now, in the same way, search engine is so big, it collects millions of data, millions of information. Now, does it need to have certain components or it doesn't need to have any component? It will have. Now, what it will have is, the first thing is called as the web crawler. Now, what is web crawler is? It's simply a software which will go to each and every website available all over the world and it will collect all the pages. Okay, and then that pages are going to be stored back in one particular location called as local storage area. That area is called as what?
Local storage.
Or we can call it as temporary storage also. From the temporary storage, the data is going to be to the next element called as indexer. Now what is indexer means? The data which has been taken from the store, the indexer will take the data and then it will filter the data. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you one example. See, assume that you want to build a library. Correct? Will you go to Koti and purchase all the books? Will you go to some location and purchase all the books?
No.
No. You want to build a big library. So will you pick a lot of books you will purchase?
No.
You're not getting my point. In the library, do we have millions of books in a library? Hundreds of books are there.
Yes.
So every few days you will go and purchase a book or you will not purchase the books?
For building library, yeah, we need to go.
Every time the crawler will go to every website and it will take all new pages. Means all the pages are getting updated. Whatever pages get updated, the crawler will go and collect all those pages. Now, once you collect, will you bring back to your library and you'll put it on a table. Now tell me, if you arrange all the books on a table, will you call it as library? In a library, how the books are arranged?
In order.
In an order. So that order is created by this component. That's what I want to explain you. Who will create that order? Indexer. That means to say, indexer component is nothing but this will create a proper order. That this is the so-and-so option, it should look like that. And once the indexer creates the order, means it will store the total data in the form called as indexes. It stores the data in the form of indexes. So this data is going to be stored, but after the data is going to be stored, who is going to read the data? If a library is built, who will go and read there? Users. In the same way, see, I'll just show you in the next slide that how it all works. See here. First of all, what is this?
www
Means
worldwide.
internet. Okay. From here, where the data will go? Who will take the data? Crawler. From crawler, where it will go? To the storage. From there, no, to the temporary storage. From there, where it will go? Indexer. Now you know what the indexer will do? See, it will create indexes. That's what I told you. Now, these indexes are also created in the form, that is nothing but this indexer is also created in different order. For example, all related to SEO will be in one index. All the data related to Joomla will be in one index. All data related to insurance will be in one index. All the indexes are created. And once these indexes are created, they will all go through one algorithm. What is the name of that algorithm? Ranking algorithm. So once the ranking algorithm is completed, then the user will be attached with the search result. Now that means to say, whenever you do a query, whenever this is the part. Now this is the other part of search engine. This area, this will happen every time. This functionality will happen every time. But whenever you do a query, it will go to the search interface. From there, it will go to the ranking algorithm. And from there, it will go to indexes. And it will again come back and you can see the results. You got the point now. So remember the purpose of SEO. I'll show you a live example here. Now what is my intention to explain you now is, when I'm typing on google.com, I'm searching for something, right? Suppose, tell me any keyword for which you want to be on the top. Do you have
Online movies.
Online movies. Okay. Now see, this is a keyword, right? Now here, every person wants to be on the first for this keyword, online movies, correct? Now tell me, what is this one? This is nothing but keyword. Now tell me, these pages are there, right? Okay, I will ask you one question. How many results are there? Count that. How much? 49 crore. Now I will ask you a question. Tell me, how come only these top people, how come these 10 people are coming on the top? Can you tell me any reason for this? There should be some reason or there should not be some reason. Just tell me in that way.
It's top 10, huh?
Yeah, I'll tell you. See, out of 346 crore, why Google is showing this online watch movies.net on first position? What is the reason? There should be some reason or there should not be a reason? That is what I'm trying to get from you. That is, what is that reason is, I was just showing you this option, right? So see, at the end, what is the main component here?
Rank.
That means to say, remember, every index can consist of millions of pages. Remember, right now Google consists of 13 billion pages. How many pages are there in Google indexes? 13 billion pages. Now you assume 13 billion means approximately 13,000 crore pages. How many pages they are having?
13,000 crores.
So it's a small number or a very big number?
Very big.
So for that reason, we will use this algorithm. And this algorithm is actually nothing but, in technical point of view, we call it as page rank algorithm. So that means to say, remember, when we are doing SEO for any client, first of all, we have to understand what is the process of SEO, what is the concept of SEO. The same thing I will just tell you in the next slide. That is, once you come, what is the process? Now see, SEO process involves analysis of business and applying the process as follows. The first thing you will do is choosing keywords. Okay, if you want to do SEO, what is the first thing we have to do?
Keywords.
Now, how do you choose keywords? Which keyword is good? Which keyword is bad? All this stuff is going to be covered in the first topic called as keyword research and analysis. Now, how do you choose keywords? By using keyword research and analysis. Number 2 is competition analysis. Now, I'll tell you one point. Online movies we have selected, correct?
Yes.
Already there are top 10 people there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, how you can come on top 10? Whether you can come or you cannot come?
Competition.
Competition analysis. That means to say, the main thing we can say here is it possible for your website to come on the top or not? That is actually taken care by competition analysis. For example, how many people are competing with me? What is their rank? What is my rank? That is all I will explain you in competition analysis. And next, changing the website accordingly. It is actually called as search engine optimization, the main third, and it is called as on-page optimization. What is that called as third point?
On-page optimization.
Means to optimize your website so that your website will rank well on the search engines. And number 3 is generating links from the web, and this part is called as off-page optimization. Meaning, if you create a website, many people should know your website. That means you should publicize, you should make your website popularized. So for that we will do link submission, we will do Facebook marketing, we will be doing the social bookmarking and all that to generate links, and finally at the end we will see the reports of a project, that how well is your performance, whether you are getting positive or negative output, all that stuff you are going to see in the reporting. So if someone wants to do an SEO project, remember it will take minimum 3 months for you to get the results. Minimum is 3 months. You know why? Because until 3 months, all this process will take minimum 3 months. So that once this 3 months period is crossed, then Google will see your work, whether you are really a good website or not. So based on that, they are going to give a ranking for your project. You clear with this point?
Yes,
This
yes.
is what SEO is about. So if you are learning SEO means, you know the complete project SEO will depend on these 5 points. Don't worry about any point. If you are able to do these 5 points perfectly, then you can become an SEO professional. You can do your own project. You can take your own website, and you can do the marketing in real time. So this is a demonstration of search engine optimization. So now you can ask me any question related to your own personal thinking or anything you can ask related to the demonstration.